Up here at Lake Lanier, getting ready to put in with Big Play Ray. It's been raining every day, so we're just curious to see what these crappie are doing. I had to take a sip of my Java. It's 0939. Partly cloudy, 30% chance of rain, so that's 70% chance that it won't rain. But we know how that goes. We got the rain suits on board, so we're prepared for the rain. Hopefully, the big Shirleys, the big reruns, the slabs, whatever you want to call them, the big boys and girls, hopefully they're out playing today, you know. But last time we came out, it was overcast. It was hard to get the big fish to bite. So hopefully I got something in my bag that's gonna make them do what we want them to do. No, we're not fishing with minnows today. We're gonna see you on the water. Keep you posted. Of course, wasn't filming, but it's all good. I'll blame it on Big Play Ray. You know, we got out here, got on the spot. He trying to show me something.
Oh yeah, I did.
Yeah, it's your fault. Threw that new one out there. I called that the intruder. Yes, sir. He gonna catch something. Let's see what he caught so far. It ain't a crappie, but she'll do. Fish on.
Can't keep changing your mind.
Yes, sir.
Just light bite.
Light bite.
But light bite with the wrong guy. Get a left hook in your jaw.
You better know it.
Up nothing ever.
It is a crappie. Yep, number 2 of the day. Yeah. Hit him with the Larry Holmes. Hey, I get to get my whatchamacallit back. Look at that. Thought I was gonna be hung in the tree.
Nice color.
Yeah. It's a done deal for him.
We're gonna let you go though, buddy.
Why we gonna let him go?
Oh, you can measure him. You think that's 14? Here. Ooh, that was beautiful.
Like clockwork.
Yeah.
Yeah, double header.
Double header.
Yeah. On them. I got a call.
Sweet. You see it?
Yeah.
That's what that high vis line is good for.
Bruh.
That line is like,
Doink. What it say, Ray? Doink. This is a one.
and now, now he's got the one that puts itself in the water by itself and everything. Yeah.
Oh, do ya? The stone deploy?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's even sweeter, man. Bigger?
Yeah, I thought it was.
Well, he got one last fight to worry about. And that's gonna be a knife.
He's gonna lose.
Oh yeah.
You don't eat them?
Oh, yes, sir, I do.
Huh?
Yes, sir. I would fish every day if I could.
Yeah, good. Just like them walleyes. I don't ever throw a walleye back. They go right in the frying pan.
Yes, sir.
Stripers, I don't eat too many.
I don't like the big stripers.
No, I'll eat the 6, 7, 8 pounders, but that's about as far as I'll go because the neighbor will have some. I'll do like a taco.
Man, we'll turn the live well on. When I lived in Virginia, man, we used to catch them things 40.
What a fish at?
What you trying to do there, boss?
I'm trying to put these jigs in here because somebody wouldn't help me.
Sound like you crying like a little baby.
I bet you cry like a little baby. I stick you with one.
Hey, whatever. How many we get? I said 30, 37, 38. Somewhere around there. We almost got a 40 piece. You got a buck? Yeah.
Not bad.
Yeah. Where you cool at? You don't?
I really don't want any. Because I ain't going to clean them and then I'm going
How many you want?
I don't want none.
I think it's kind of foul that he give me 40 some odd fish only because he don't want to clean none. Hey, that's my story and I'm sticking to it.
I'm trying to bless him.
He trying to bless me. Well, that means I got to clean them.
You don't have to.
Nah.
How your wife clean them?
He said have my wife clean them. Boy, no. Right, just finishing up day on the water with Big Play Ray. We ended up with 37 crappie, one large spotted bass. The bite was pretty tough during the evening, but the early morning bite was on point, as you will see in the video, as you saw in the video. So I'm headed home base, and always remember, you can't catch them from the couch. So get up, get out, and go fishing. Until next time, fishing with CMI. Peace.